See, in this video, I'll show you how to remove the toner from the printer and put it back inside. See, this is Laserjet M1213NF MFP printer. It's a Laserjet printer. So normally in multifunction Laserjet printer, you have this copy function, which is the scanner bed is here. You have to open it like this, right? And below you can see the place where we put the toner. In normal single function printer, you don't have this scanner bed. So if you open the top cover, you can see this place where the toner has to be put. So after lifting the scanner bed, see, this is the place where you have to put the finger and open like this. Now inside you can see the toner. It's LT88. It's 88 toner. So first, how to remove it? See, there is this handle like this. You have to hold it and pull it back straight. It's very simple, right? This is the handle. See, you can hold it like this. Here you can see 88A. This is the place. Now how to put it back? So you don't have to put it like this, like this. If you are confused, you have to first look at the printed sticker which mentions the model number of the toner 88A. So this is the correct position and the toner should go inside like this. Now how to put it back? See, there are these slides inside the printer. This is one, and here also this is it. If you put the toner like this, and if it fixes in the slide in the right side and the left side, then you have to just push it down. Then you have to push it harder. You will have to hear the click sound. Once you hear the click sound, the toner is fixed properly. I will show you how to remove and put it back one more time. This is the handle. It's very easy. You have to just pull it back. You don't have to look at the slides also. You can just put it like this. Push it down. There's the sound of click. Close the toner door. That's it.